400 amp disconnect explained. At the top we have our line coming in. At the bottom we have our load leaving the disconnect. This is a 400 amp disconnect that's being installed, and it's aluminum conductors that are being used. 250 kc mil parallel runs that were fed into the disconnect, the main disconnect, and out of the main disconnect we're going to be leaving and going over to the 400 amp panel. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to smash that like button. It helps with the channel. Also, you can like, share, and subscribe to the channel, or become a member of the channel. The cable that you see that's white, that's actually phase, and per code, per OESC 2024, there is a rule where it states that any conductors that are not identified as a neutral has to be identified as a neutral. When it comes to our bonding cables, bonding straps, it all has to be up to OESC 2024. That includes bonding all cables to metal that is required, and that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to be bonding my cables. I'm going to be using my ground bushings and so on. Again, it's going to be line and load at the bottom. As you can see where I'm working, that is the load side. That's where I'm going to be leaving this 400 amp disconnect and going into the main 400 amp panel. Again, never cross your wires. Always make sure you are using the same whites. As you can see, I have my whites taped up with the white tape in order for me to identify them at the other side of the panel, as you don't want to cross wires. It can become very dangerous. When it comes to your ground bushings, as you can see, I have my ground bushings on the actual connector itself, which is required when you're using this type of cable. Reason being is the cable is a aluminum tech cable, and the metal part has to be bonded together. So again, as we wind down to this short video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, or become a member of the channel to stay up